Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove items that you have added within your bag on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nike.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nike website. Click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you may browse through the various items that you can buy within the Nike website. Now, when you choose any product, you will see the Add to Bag option. When you click on this option, this will add this item within your bag and you will also get a notification. You can click on the View Bag option in order to proceed with checking out, and you may also add multiple items if you wish to do so. Now, if there is an item that you don't wish to buy anymore, but you have already added it to your cart or your bag, then simply click on the bag icon at the top right corner and this will now take you into your bag page. Now, if you wish to delete any item, just click on the trash can icon underneath the picture of this product, and now this product will be removed from your bag or your cart right away. After removing all of the products that you wish to remove from your bag, you can proceed forward with checking out, or you may add other products into your bag if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove items from your bag on your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.